In this video, I am going to talk about how can you grow tomato at your terrace garden and get a lot of fruits. It's the end of November. Here in India, the average temperature is around 30 degrees centigrade. I bought these tomato saplings from the local plant nursery. They are ready for the final potting. I will use this plastic container to plant the tomato saplings. The plastic sheet will protect the soil from getting released through the slits of the container. I made some holes in the plastic so that extra water can be passed. The soil mixture I am using contains 30% ordinary garden soil, 40% cow dung compost, 20% sand and 10% coco peat. Further, I will add some more fertilizers to the soil. Thus the plants will get all the required nutrients from the beginning and will grow fast. This is NPK 10:26:26. This amount of NPK is sufficient for a container of this size. This is crushed eggshell. As you all know, eggshell is a very good natural source of calcium. Calcium plays an active role in forming the cell walls in the plants. This will help them to form the roots and branches. Mix the components with the topsoil properly. Then plant the saplings. Water the plants properly. As you can see, the container is filled up. We will add more soil as the plants grow taller. I have planted a total of 8 plants. The distance among the saplings is kept equal. Soon they will cover the entire area. After 10 days, the plants look healthy and growing nicely. Some plants got the flowers within this short time, but they will not form the fruits. Today, I will break the branches which are touching the soil. You should do this for 2 reasons. First thing, you should always keep the base of any plant clean so that the sunlight can reach the base area. This will help the plant to protect itself from many diseases. The second thing is, the leaves may get fungal attacks if they touch the soil. These are general rules and are applicable to all types of plants. Now I will provide support to the stems of the plants with bamboo sticks. Otherwise, the plants may be bent as they grow taller. This is neem oil spray. I am using this once a week from the beginning. If you can continue this from the beginning to the end regularly, all of your plants will remain healthy. Remember one thing, you cannot miss this at any week. Dissolve 5 ml of neem oil in 2 liters of water and spray on both sides of the leaves. After 14 days, the plants are growing rapidly. Today, I will add more support to the branches of the plants. The strings will be at the loads of the branches as well as the fruits coming in the future. This is a very strong and effective support system for tomato plants. After 20 days, the plants have grown a few feet. The leaves are nice and green. Yellow flowers are being seen. After 1 month, the plants are growing nicely. This is rotten mustard cake solution. It is a great organic liquid fertilizer. You can use it in most of the houseplants. I am using this in every 15 days from the beginning. After 35 days, the plants got a lot of flowers. The roots are coming out of the soil. It means they need more nutrition. Today, I will add more soil. This will provide extra nutrients to the plants. The soil mixture which is being added contains the same amount of garden soil and cow dung compost. Add water properly. This is after 48 days. The plants have formed multiple baby fruits. You can see some of the leaves do not look healthy. This happened because we were not at home and missed to spray neem oil for a few weeks. And the plants got the insect attack. Unwillingly, we have to take the help of chemical insecticide now. I will use 2 types of insecticides. The first one is imidacloprid. This insecticide is very effective against most of the sucking insects. Dissolve 1 ml of imidacloprid in 1 liter of water and spray all over the plants. The second one is the Intrepid. It helps to remove insect larvae. You have to dissolve 2 ml of Intrepid in 1 liter of water. You can use these 2 insecticides alternatively once in a week. In the first week, spray imidacloprid and in the next week, spray Intrepid. Repeat it until the problem is solved. I wish you will not need to spray any chemical insecticides. Our main goal should be to produce fruits without any harmful pesticides. After 80 days. Today, I will get the first harvest. I am only taking the ripe tomatoes. But if you want, you can use the green tomatoes also. After 90 days. A lot of tomatoes are there. Today, I will get the second harvest. Now, let's talk about the sunlight requirement. Tomato plants need a lot of sunlight to grow. I put the plants under direct sunlight from the beginning. They are getting the direct sun for the whole day. This is after 94 days of final potting. Today, I will take the tomatoes for the third time. Look, the size and color of the tomatoes are very nice. Let's talk about the water requirement now. The tomato plants need a lot of water. Check the topsoil regularly. Keep the soil moist when the plants are growing. But extra water should be released. This rule will be changed when the fruits are formed. At this time, water only when the topsoil becomes dry. At the time of watering, make sure that the whole part of the soil in the container becomes wet. If some portion of the soil remains dry, the roots at that portion may die. This will hamper the growth of the plants. Keep adding water until the extra water is released from the bottom of the container. This is after 107 days. Today, I will pick the tomatoes for the 4th time. As you have seen, the number of fruits is increasing in each harvest. Lots of green and baby tomatoes are still there. So you have seen how easy it is to grow this amount of tomatoes at your own terrace garden. In this season, I did not have to buy any tomatoes from the market. Rather, I have given some of them to my neighbors and friends. I am happy. They are happy too. I hope you have liked the video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video until the end. See you in the next video.